What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to show you guys exactly how I've made millions of dollars on the Solana blockchain from deving meme coins, and most importantly, how to find good narratives and turn them into meme coins. So if you are tired of losing money every single day trading meme coins, this video is for you. Now my Phantom wallet shows exactly $5.3 million, all from deving meme coins on repeat. No hype, no trading, just deving that works over and over again. Stick around and I'll walk you through exactly how I made it all happen. Now, just a couple months ago, I used to trade meme coins every single day, trying to make a quick buck on the side and quit my 9 to 5, but every single fucking time I bought inside a brand new meme coin that I saw trending, I got completely dumped on, just like this coin right here. And that's exactly when I realized the winners in this space, okay, are not trading these coins, but they're actually deving them, because when you dev your own coins, you control everything. I'm talking the liquidity, the price, and the entire narrative of the coin. You control everything, and as a creator you have nothing to lose because you are the guy behind the coin. But if you keep trading like usual, you will lose everything, bro. It happened to me a couple times because you have no control over your position. It's the dev that controls everything, not you. That's exactly why I went from trading to deving, because now I can turn $100 into $1,000 and just rinse and repeat. And right now Solana is above $230, so it's the best time to start deving meme coins. That's exactly why you have to be hopping on this trend right now. And by the way, this video is for educational purposes only. I do not condone any financial advice, and by the way, this video is made with AI, so it's all fake. Cap! Now, as you guys may know, Pump.fun is a great way to dev meme coins because they just came out with a brand new feature where you can live stream meme coins and make money off of it. But that's completely false, because Pump.fun feels easy, but it's completely saturated. Hundreds of coins and live streams are flooding the site every single minute, and most are dying before they can even start. So if you do not have an audience or you have nothing at all, you won't be able to make money on this platform. It's just completely oversaturated, and that's exactly why I completely switched to create token.Io, because on this platform your coin launches directly onto Radium, which means it's immediately graduated and migrated on the Radium DEX and visible to real buyers instantly, which means thousands of people are going to view your coin and you will be able to get a piece of that cake. That's how you get exposure and control from day one, and that's how you make generational wealth. That's exactly why thousands of people are making coins on create token.Io. It's simply the better option. Now, to dev or create a meme coin on create token.Io is really easy because you have two simple options. The first option is obviously to make a coin from scratch. So go on X, right, or any social media platform like Instagram, TikTok, or whatever the fuck, right, and look for something trending like a meme, something funny, something viral, and make a meme coin off of it. Let's see what's up. Oh, nah, that's bad. Actually, really doesn't know, that's bad. I'm not sure what to make a coin on, but yeah, you get the gist. Once you have a good meme or narrative, come back to create tokens.Io, slap in a quick name that represents the meme, and then put a symbol, and then screenshot your meme and place it right here for the meme coin logo, then click next, and after a couple more steps, you are fucking done. That's how you make a custom coin. But the second method though, that's my favorite one. Why? Because it's the most profitable by far. Okay, and that's the copy trending coins tab right here, the third button. Now, all these coins here are all trending and going viral on Pump.fun right now. All you have to do is just copy one and it will launch directly to Radium instantly, and since they already have attention and traffic and hype into these coins, you will get instant buyers and stronger profits from the start. Bro, I would highly recommend, okay, to copy coins if you do not have 10k or more. But anyways, no more theory. I'm gonna stop yapping. Let's hit launch on the coin right now and make some fucking bread in front of you guys. So first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected to the website just by clicking this button. Phantom, refresh list right after, and let's look for a coin to copy. I'm gonna go with the Futardio coin. It has a decent PFP that looks cool and the last buy 5 seconds ago, so let's click on create coin. Ignore the warning from Phantom, click on proceed, confirm I understand, confirm, and then the coin should be copied shortly. And then boom, now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is where all the magic happens. We're just creating and adding liquidity to your coin to make it instantly tradable on the Radium DEX without waiting. This is what Pump.fun doesn't give you guys the option to create, okay? There's two simple steps. First is for the amount token A, just tap 90%, that's gonna drop 900 million tokens into the pool. Right after is for the amount token B, this is your seed buy. You are basically the first initial investor into your own project. You are not losing anything, it's just locked in temporarily. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and when you pull out the liquidity later, that SOL will come right back straight inside your Phantom wallet. That's exactly why we have nothing to lose. I'm gonna put 0.35 SOL just to be safe, just a bit more to be, safe, and then click on create pool, and then you should be able to click on confirm. When that's done, click on refresh right under, and if you scroll down, boom, the Futardio coin is now live. Our PNL should be right here, and if you click on the refresh button for a second time, now we're up $200 because people are buying the coin instantly right now live while I am talking. That's the power of the Radium DEX. Click on view on photon to see the chart. Let me go on full screen for better visuals. And now let's let the pump happen. We're already up a couple $100. The market cap is at 1k. Oh shit, it's dumping a bit, but I still believe it's gonna go up, guys. Do not be emotional. Worst case scenario, if you only make a couple $100, you can just move on to the next coin and just rinse and repeat until you reach that 10k or 100k mark. Come on, it has to go up. Come on, the volume is decent. Now, I really do believe this coin is gonna go to like at least 10k, 5k. I'm not sure actually. We're gonna see what happens, right? Okay, 20 bucks in my wallet. That's not bad. Ooh, someone just sold for a lot of money. That's not bad. But guys, you have to remember that more and more people are going to start seeing the coin on the migrate section. Okay, there's tons and tons of traders right now trading and just trenching. So you're gonna see results. Okay, you guys will see. Oh my god. Okay, that's not bad. Okay, that's a bit of proof that it's gonna go up. Come on, I still believe that it's gonna go up. Ooh, this is looking kind of bad. Come on, it has to go up, right? Let's go. Okay, 60 bucks. Come on, one more big buy. Okay, you know what? Anyways, I'm gonna be right back. Okay, when I am back, we're going to make some money on this coin. You guys will see. Okay guys, I'm back. It looks like we are pushing $3,000 in market cap. The liquidity looks good, the transactions looks good, the volume looks good. Now before it goes even downer, we're going to, remove the money. So come back to create tokens.io real quick, and then click on the refresh button right here. And now as you guys can see, we're up $1.8 thousand USD with a quick 1.8k market cap. Now click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the money out of the coin. And now as you guys can see, I'm going to receive 7 SOL right in my Phantom wallet. Click on confirm real quick. And boom! Bang, bang, bang! That's exactly how you dev meme coins and make some money consistently, obviously for educational purposes only. If I open my Phantom wallet real quick, boom! 1.8 grand all in my Phantom wallet. By the way, I do not condone financial advice. Now before you go create a meme coin, if you want to win 3 Solana like this guy right here, make sure to like, comment your Solana address and subscribe, and join my free Telegram group down below. And yeah bro, peace.